Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today this video is going to be on home security Wi-Fi camera, and that's on tapo. So we bought this product online from Amazon, and this is a closed CCTV footage camera for basically for home services only. So the CCTV camera has couple of features, as you can see. So it has motion detection and it will send you notifications for that. It has a clear night vision and it's a HD high definition camera, and we can insert micro SD card for recording purpose also. And it has another feature, that's Alexa, so you can command, and based on that it can work. And it has a 1-year warranty, and if you face any issue, there is a toll-free number also mentioned on the top of the box, so you can call that toll-free number if you face any issues regarding this camera. So here it goes, the model number, the video definition, night vision, everything, every features is written here. And the package contains this camera adapter, some screws for mounting, and one smart quick setup guide also provided. That will be very helpful for you. So there is an option, you can view the footages live also, live view, or else you can record also the previous footages also. You can see if you are not available or if you are not viewing the live, so that's there. And there is a alarm provision also, so whenever there is any suspecting objects or anything will come into its range, so it will sound one alarm, so that you can you know what is happening. So that's the feature, and you can position it anywhere. So we have planned it to position in our balcony so that it can cover the outside of our gates and everything. So I'm gonna do the unboxing right now. So we got this product properly sealed, no issue for that packaging or delivery from Amazon. So if you want to buy one CCTV camera, you can go for tapo, but before that let me start that and give you guys a proper review how this is working. So after opening the box, I'm getting few things, like there is a 6mm point given in this paper. So if you want to mount the camera, you can use the screws for this difference of 6mm. And there is a smart start user guide, so that's there, so you can check how to start the camera. And basically for every camera nowadays we are installing one related app, mobile app in our mobile, so that we can view the things that is capturing throughout the camera. So here everything is there, how you can set up the camera, what is the app you can download from Play Store in your mobile, how to start, how to link from your mobile to camera, everything, every steps is given here in this user guide, so you can take a look, and that's helpful also. So this is the camera, the CCTV camera actually. So I'm trying to open that. So look wise we can see this is a black and white combination, so it's looks wise it's also good. It's very light actually, not that much of heavy, so it's very handy. And this is the screw mount, you can mount it with this area. And I think this is the card, this is the card insertion area, and this is the, from this alarm sound will come out. So this is a nice features, and looks wise also the camera is very good. And this is the thing, like it can rotate, so it's left, right, backward, forward direction, it's rotating round also. So that's a very good thing about this camera. And this is the charger, so this will run with electricity, and this is the plug you need to insert to your switch port, and this is the jack. So we can set up this and we can check how it works. And these are the screws that they given with this package, so we can use that for mounting. So this completes the unboxing part, guys. So now we are going to start up the camera. So first we have plugged in the charger, the camera charger, into our plug point, and switch on it. So whenever you'll switch on this, you'll get some notification, like some lights will be blinking up in the camera screen, and you have to wait for 30 seconds so that there is a red light, the bottom you can see, so that light will be blink like red green like this combination. So the camera is charging. We can show you the mobile app. So from Play Store you can download this app, TP-Link Tapo. So after downloading these things, you have to install it into your mobile, and you need to register it for the first time. So after 30 seconds you can see just red and green, this blinking is happening, this light. After the app install, you need to open the Tapo app, and for the first time you need to sign it up. So as we have already registered it, so we need to provide our email ID and password for this app. But for the first time user, when you are installing these things, you need to provide your email ID and password, confirm password, and to click on the terms like rules and regulations and to accept that, so the app will start. So after you have done with that registration, it will ask for third-party services, Google Assistance, we have done it, and there is some other options. You can just click on got it, and you'll get your camera option like my home. As we have already done the setup, so we are getting the Tapo camera home options here, as you can see. So if you click here, it will start recording the thing. So this is the room view, you can see. So this is the camera, and there are a couple of other features also in this camera that we'll explore, but this is the entire area that is capturing throughout the camera, and we can see it in our mobile. So this is the area in our balcony. We have mounted the camera at the top so that it can cover the outside view, and this is the outside area from our garage to the road. So this portion it will capture. Here I'm showing you a couple of camera settings and features. So here you can see there is a invert image, status LED, there is a micro SD card options, there is a recording schedule option, there is an option called detection and alerts. So here you can see the camera alarm option, which I have placed as off, so you can turn it on, and you can set up the alarm type, alarm sound, and schedule the alarm, like if you want that full day, all day in a week, or some particular day, you can set up that. So as you can see, there is an option called video quality. So you can change the quality of your video, your snippet video quality. Here are the different options. Whatever settings changes you are doing, please make sure you are clicking on the save button, otherwise your changes will be lost. So here you can see the memory and the playback, right? The old snippet or old footages you can see. So this is how altogether the camera features and the mobile app. So you people can try to buy out this and explore the Tapo camera, and let me know if this video is helpful for you and if you need any further information related to this. Thank you. Thank you.